At Avanceon, we provide services and solutions that touch nearly everything that you do on a day-to-day basis. As a total engineering solutions provider, we have the privilege to work with customers across a multitude of industries. The organizations we engage with rely on us to help them achieve rock star status. Here are some examples of how Avanceon impacts your life. Whether supporting a food and beverage manufacturer or working with a life sciences partner, our industry experience allows us to anticipate customers' needs and to deliver top-notch solutions. To learn more about how Avanceon can impact your life, visit us at www.advanceon.com.